So let me put you on game real quick, bro. I never knew you could do this until today. All you need to do is head over to ARRI.com or just type in ARRI conversion LUTs on your browser and use these settings. I'll leave a screenshot at the end of the video. After you're done, head over to Premiere Pro. We're gonna create a new adjustment layer and drag it to our timeline. Lumetri color, then select the layer you just downloaded. And just like that, your footage looks 10 times better. And guys, this works for almost all types of footage. I've tried this with footage shot on different cameras, and believe me, it's perfect. So that's it for today, and be sure to subscribe and leave a like for the video. Peace.